Welcome back, students. Today let us solve some more problems on arithmetic progressions. Write the first four terms of AP and the first term A and the common difference are given. See, first term A in this problem is 3 and common difference D is equal to 10. Now, find the first four terms. See, first term A is given, it is already given, so A is equal to 3. Then, next term, what is the next term? A2. A2, how can you write? A2 is equal to A plus D, that is previous term plus common difference. So, A, substitute the value, A is equal to 3 plus common difference 10, that's equal to 13. So, second term is 13. Then third term, what is the third term? Third term is equal to previous term plus common difference D is equal to A2 already given 13 plus common difference 10 is equal to 23. Again, what is fourth term? A4, it is equal to its previous term A3 plus common difference D, that's equal to 23 plus 10 is equal to 33. Therefore, four terms of the given AP are first term 3, second term 13, third term 23 and fourth term is 33. Let us see one more problem. If A is 4 and D is equal to minus 3, find the first four terms. Okay. Yes. A is equal to 4. Then we have to find out second term A2 is equal to first term plus common difference. A is given 4 plus common difference is what? Minus 3. Therefore, we will get on simplification 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Similarly, third term A3 is given by A2 plus D. So, A2 already find out A2, that is 1 plus common difference is minus 3. On simplification, we will get 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. So, next A4. What is A4? Previous term plus common difference. On adding these two, we will get A3 minus 2 plus common difference is minus 3. Then on simplification, minus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 5. So, the first four terms of the given AP are 4, 1, minus 2 and minus 5. Yes, write the next four more terms. What is the last term given here in the problem? Last term, that is A4 is given. A4 is what? 7 by 2. So, we have to find out A5. What is A5? A4 plus common difference D. It is equal to 7 by 2 plus half is equal to what? 7 by 2. 3 and a half. Right now? 3 and a half, or take LCM, or if the denominators are same, write the same denominator and add the numerators. It is equal to 8 by 2 is equal to 4. Okay, then A6, what is A6? A5 plus D is equal to A5 plus D, that is equal to 4 plus half. 4 and half. How can you write? 4 and half. Take LCM. 2 is the LCM. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 1s are 1, that is 9 by 2. So A6 is equal to 9 by 2 means what? 4 and half. Next A7. Find out A7. A7 is A6 plus D is equal to 9 by 2 plus half is equal to, see, denominators are same, so write down 2 as the denominator and 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Simplify, 2 1s are 2 5s are, so 5. A7 is 5. Again, last term A8. We need A8 is equal to a7 plus common difference d is equal to a7. What is a7? 5. a7 is 5 and d is equal to half. a7 is equal to 5 and d is equal to half. So what is a8 is equal to 5 plus half, 5 and half. So and half, or take LCM, 1 2 are 2, 5 2 are 10 plus 1 1 are 1 is equal to 11 by 2. Means 11 by 2. It's enough, 11 by 2. So 4 more terms are what? 4 more terms. 4, then 4. Next term, 4 and half. How can you write 4 and half? 9 by 2. Next 5. Next last term is 11 by 2. Right? Did you get this problem? Yes. Next, let us move to fifth problem. What is given in this problem? 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, and 3 plus 3 root 2, and so on. See whether this is in AP or not. How can you find out? First term, we know first term A is given, it is equal to 3, and next term is what? 3 plus root 2. 3 plus root 2, this is a2 and this is a1. a2 is equal to 3 plus root 2. So what is d? d is equal to a2 minus a1. a2 is equal to 3 plus root 2 minus a1 is 3 plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled. So d is equal to plus root 2 or root 2 here. Similarly, d is equal to a3 minus a2. a3 is given. What is a3 in this problem? a3 is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 minus a2 is what? 3 plus root 2. On simplification, see here 3 plus root 2. We have to put the bracket here. So 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. On simplification, we will get plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled. 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2. 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 is equal. See here, 1 is the number here, exists here. Now 2 minus 1 is equal to what? 1. 1. We need not write 1 here. Root 2 is the common term. So write 1 root 2 or root 2. So d is equal to root 2. Again d is equal to root 2. So a3 minus a2 and a2 minus a1 both are same. a1 minus a2, a2 minus a1 and a3 minus a2 are same. Therefore, they are in AP. So, what is the next 4 more terms? So, what is the last term given here? Last term is 3 plus 3 root 2, right? So, if you want next term, what we have to do? Add common difference d. It is root 2 now. Root 2. So, what is the next term? Add them. 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2 is equal to 3 plus, add them, 3 plus root 2, 1 plus root 2 is equal to 3 plus 4 root 2. So, next term is what? 3 plus 4 root 2. Then, one more term. Add common difference to this term. Then you will get the next term. Add root 2 here. You will get 3 plus 5 root 2. Next, if you want next term, add again root 2, that is common difference, is equal to 3 plus 6 root 2. Yes, therefore 4 terms of this AP are root 2, then 3 plus 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 4 root 2, then 3 plus 5 root 2, then 3 plus 6 root 2. Again, you have to find out one more term. That is what? I will write directly here. What is the next term? 3 plus is correct. 7 root 2. You have to find out this. Okay, yes. Now let us move to next problem, 12th problem. See, root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32, square root of 2. Yes, I will simplify these terms. See, root 2, first term is given as root 2. Keep as it is. What is the square root of 8? Square root of 8, I will write square root of 8 as 4 into 2. Square root of 4 into 2. Again, square root of 18. How can you write? 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. Similarly, what is the square root of 32? It is 16. 32. 16 2s are 16 2s are 32. Why I wrote like this? Because inside the square root sign we have to write at least one perfect square number. So I wrote 18 as the product of one perfect square number into one more factor. So 4 2s are 8. Again here 9 2s are 18. Here 16 2s are 32. In each case, we will have one perfect square number 4, 9 and 16. On simplification, we will get root 2. Here, what is the value of square root of 4? Yes, square root of 4 is 2. Then what's remaining? Square root of 2. Here, square root of 9 is equal to 3. Here, what's remaining? Square root of 2. Here in the last term, square root of 16 is 4 itself. Then square root of 2. Now this is the form of given series, number of series. Now I have to find out common difference D is given by what? A2 minus A1. A2 is what here? A2 is 2 root 2 minus root 2 is equal to, on simplification we will get 2 root 2 minus root 2 is equal to 1 root 2, that is root 2. Again here in second and third term, what is the common difference? 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is equal to what? Again it is also root 2. So D are same because A3 minus A2 is equal to A2 minus A1. Therefore they are in AP and value of D is what? Root 2. So find next 4 terms. They are in AP. Therefore they are in AP. And find the next 4 more terms. What is the 4 more terms? Root 32 in plus common difference is square root of 2 is equal to what? Square root of 32 plus root 2 is equal to, on adding root 32 we can write 4 root 2 plus 1 root 2 is equal to what? 5 root 2. 5 root 2. See, keep in this form 5, take inside the square root sign, what happens? It becomes 5 square. Inside the square root sign 5 becomes 5 square into 2. This 2 is equal to what? Square root of 25 into 2 is equal to root 25 2s are 50. Yes, square root of 50. Again next term, find the next term. Square root of 50 plus add the common difference. The common difference is root 2 is equal to root 50 means what? 25. 5 root 2. 5 root 2 plus root 2 is equal to what? 6 root 2. 6 root 2, or simplify this. Simplify. What happens? 6 when it goes to the square root sign, inside the square root sign it becomes 6 square into 2. 6 square means 36. 36 2s are 72. So square root of 72. Next term is square root of 72. Again root 72 plus d is root 2 is equal to root 72 means what? It is it is 6 root 2. Add common difference is equal to 7 root 2. Simplify this. Square root of 7 square into 2. 7 square is 49. 49 2s is equal to 98. So square root of 98. One more term. Can you find out? One more term is equal to 7 root 2 plus add common difference d is equal to 8 root 2. Simplify yourself. Yes, 8 square, it becomes 8 square into 2. Square root of 8 square into 2 is equal to 8 square is what? 64 into 2. 64 2s is equal to square root of 128. So what are the next terms? Next four terms are, therefore next four terms are square root of 50, then square root of 72, square root of 128, and yes, square root of 98 also, square root of 98, right? Okay. Next, thirteenth problem, root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. Are they in AP? If they are in AP, find the next 4 more terms. What are the problems? Root 3, root 6, root 9 and root 12. Root 3, first term is root 3, second term is root 6. So simplify. AD is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is root 6 minus A1 is root 3. On simplification, can you simplify this? No. Yes. Next, AD again, D is also equal to A3 minus A2. A3 is root 9 minus root 6. Now simplify. Root 9 is 3 minus root 6. Are they same? No. Here root 6 minus root 3. We will get here 3 minus root 6. So they are not equal. That means A3 minus A2 is not equal to A2 minus A1. Therefore, they are not in AP. They are not in AP. Yes. Okay, students, this is enough today. Let us continue in the next class. Till then, goodbye.